Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a Chevy Sonic with a 1.8 liter engine. It's a fairly common new Chevy engine. They use it in the Sonic and in their smaller SUVs. The customer's complaint is that every time he fills up, then the vehicle is really hard to start. He has to mess around with it, push the gas pedal down, do some other things that he doesn't have to normally do even after he drives the vehicle after getting gas. We informed him that this canister purge valve is a very common problem with this. It quits working correctly. The check engine light was on. We also scanned it, noticed it had a code for that canister purge valve. We informed him that that's what it would take to get the vehicle back up to working correctly. Put a new one in, took it over, filled it up, started the vehicle right up, got that repair done. The customer was extremely satisfied in the timeliness of the repair as well as the cost of the repair. So if you have a vehicle that you're having issues getting started after you get gas, not sure what's going on, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to take a quick look at it, scan it, see if you have any codes in related to these issues that cause that problem. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share this video so other people with this situation can get the correct information.